is Tanya Gonzalez, aka Kiss and Makeup 0514 here on YouTube, and welcome to my video. Hey guys, okay, welcome back to my video. Today I am going to attempt to do this Bratz challenge that's all over the internet right now. I saw a few of my friends do them as well here on YouTube, and I just wanted to do it. So I'm excited. I love the recreations everybody is making, so I am going to attempt to do this. I have never done this before, and these are all new drugstore products that I am going to be using to recreate this look. I didn't want to just come on here and just do just a regular makeup look with the new drugstore products. I wanted to do something different. So I wanted to do the challenge for you guys, and I'm hoping that I can do this. Fingers crossed. I've never done this before. I have done Halloween looks on my channel before, but I've never done a Bratz doll. So pretty much I'm going to wing it. I did see a few videos, so I of course got inspired by a few people. So yeah, so if you guys have not subscribed to my channel, please do so down below, that red subscribe button. So if you guys want to see how I recreated this Bratz look, just keep watching. Okay guys, so the look I want to do today is this Bratz doll right here. I wanted to recreate her just because I feel like, I don't know, I feel like she's me. Like big hoop earrings, a hat all the time. Like this is definitely like my Bratz inspiration right here. So I wanted to recreate her. It's not gonna be that hard, I think. I only think like this inner corner. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do like the white inner corner. Not sure yet, but we'll see. So I already attempted to do most of my brows. I just have to fill in the front, which I always do last anyway. So I am gonna go in with this BH Cosmetics. This is the Sylvia Gani eyeshadow palette, and this is new as well. In the drugstore, got mine's in Ulta. This is how it looks, and I am going to open it up for you guys so you guys can see. I have used it a few times. I think maybe like 2 times I've used it. Today we're not really playing with a lot of color because as you guys can see on that picture, it's mostly like a black smoky eye. That is really not my forte, black smoky eyes, but we're gonna make it work for this video. So yeah, so I am gonna start with that first. I've already primed my eyes with some concealer. I already went in with that, but I am gonna take this E.L.F. Lip Plumping Gloss anyway. This is brand new. I'm gonna bring it up a little closer to show you guys. So this is the new E.L.F. Plumping Lip Gloss. And then I think this one is in, let's see, this one is in Pink Cosmo. And I am gonna just put this on now because if you guys see Bratz lips, like their lips are super plumped and super big. So we're definitely gonna have to overdraw the lip liner for that look. But I wanna put this on because we are gonna use this throughout the video. So let's see if it really does a job with plumping, because you guys know Bratz have really, really huge lips, and I don't have lip filler right now, so this is gonna have to do. And then obviously we're gonna overline. So looking at this picture, she has like a really dramatic black eyeshadow look right there. So what I want to do is I am gonna use tape for my eyes. The reason why, oh, I hate when this creases up. So the reason why I am using tape is because I feel like their eyes like go up a little bit like that. And my eyes, I definitely don't have the shape of that. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that stick off of it. And I am going to focus this like straight up because we're gonna go in with, oh, it broke. So we're gonna go in with this shadow. I'm gonna be super dramatic. So this is not like your everyday look, guys. This is going to be a dramatic look. So I obviously want to go in with a transition shade first. So I think I am going to take Obsessed. That's this shade right here. And that's more of a brown, kind of light brown transition shade, because I'm really going to be using mostly black in this tutorial. I'm sorry if I'm not using any of the color, but let me know if you guys want to see another tutorial with it, and I'll definitely use the colors. So I'm just going to take this E.L.F. brush, and I'm just going to make sure I bring that in the crease and just kind of blow it out. So I am going to be picking up the black now, and this is what we're going to be working with probably for the rest of the time. But this one right here is called Unapologetic, and that's the black in the palette. I am taking a Morphe E28 brush. This is one of my favorite brushes to blow out the bottom lash, but I am going to use it for the upper part of my eye just because I don't want to blow it out too much yet. I want to kind of keep it like concentrated right on that crease. So I'm just going to go back into that brown, and the shade is Obsessed, and I am just going to kind of blend this all together and blow it out, because although I do want it to be black, I just want it to be a little brown as well, like peeking out from underneath so that it's not like totally black, if you guys can get what I'm saying. So I just kind of want to blend it together here. So I noticed that she does have the black shadow in her inner corner, and she has a little bit light on the lid, so we will be doing that. But I want to bring the black into the inner corner as well and just blend it. So I'm going to go in with this shade right here. This is called Opal, and it's one of the highlighters in the palette. But first, I do want to go in just with a little bit of concealer. So I'm using the Anastasia. This is their cream concealer in the pot. And what I want to do is, I'm not going to even cut the crease like that. All I want to do is put a little bit in the middle. That way it's going to adhere to that better like than if I did it like by itself. So now I'm just going to go back in with a smaller brush and just kind of blend in that black around there. So that way there's no like harsh lines or anything. And I'm just kind of like cleaning it up. I'm just going to wing out this liner. So all I'm going to do is hit my lashes, and I'm using this Maybelline Snapscara. This is new in the drugstore as well, and I use this on another video. So I am going to go in with lashes though. And we're going to be using these new Ardell Remy lashes, 100% premium Remy hair with invisible band. Don't know what Remy hair means, but I know they're new in the drugstore. So this is how they look. They're number 778. They actually look like my double demi wispies that I love to use. I wear those all the time. And obviously for this look, we want drama because that's what the Bratz are all about. So I'm going to open these up and pop them on. Okay guys, so we're gonna go back to the eyes later, but I'm gonna go in with this E.L.F. Poreless Putty Primer. I have used this a few times. I actually really like it. I don't know if it compares to the Tatcha one because I've never tried that one. I'm not paying $50-something or whatever it is for a primer. I'm not doing that, but I do want to say that I really like this one. I have used it in a video before, but a lot of you guys have been asking me to use it again and to tell you guys my thoughts, but I really do like it, and I feel like it's so soothing on the skin. And I feel like I'm never ever going to hit pan on this, like ever. It's not like a serum texture, or it's not like a silicone texture, but it just has like a nice creamy texture to it. So this was like so cheap, guys. I feel like E.L.F. is really stepping up their game when it comes to like their makeup and stuff. Like honestly, they are doing big things, and I really like this too. It's so inexpensive, and I'm telling you right now, do not pay all that money for that Tatcha primer unless it's a gift from somebody, but I'm not paying for that. So y'all can pay for it, I'm not paying for it. So I wanted to go in with this new foundation as well. This is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear. Mine's is number 470. Let's hope this works, because every time I feel like I get a foundation, I feel like it never ever works. So it does have a pump here, and this just recently came out as well. Oh, it's a little watery. I'm not used to that. I thought it was going to be a little thicker. Maybe I should just shake it up a little bit. Let's see. Oh yeah, okay. So it's a little thicker, but I thought it was going to be thicker than this. I wasn't expecting it to be this watery, but I am going to place this on my skin and see if this matches. Obviously, it is a little dark for me, I will say. This will probably be really good for me for the summer. As you can see, it is darker. Obviously, we can make it work with the concealer. So now I'm going to go in with this E.L.F. 16-hour Camo Concealer and Camo Concealer. And this is how the concealer looks. It's pretty fat. I like that. I like big concealers and I like big doe foot applicators, and this one is freaking big. So I'm going to show you guys. Look at that. So yeah, that's good. So I'm hoping this is going to work out. Let's see. Oh my God, the coverage, you guys. I really think I'm going to like this. So I don't feel like it's drying though really quickly. So we'll see. So I'm just going to go in with this Collab Loose Setting Powder. I took the sifter out because I only have a little bit left. And this is actually one of my favorite setting powders. I love it. That's already setting, and I'm just going to just dust it right off. So I am taking this new E.L.F. This is their Primer-Infused Bronzer. This one is in Forever Kissed. It says this long-wearing bronzer is infused with primer powder to ensure a full day of bronze glow. Okay, so I'm here for that full day of bronze glow. And like I said, this is brand new as well. So I've been hearing a lot about this. Okay. All right, we're just gonna have to break the package. So I'm super excited to be trying this bronzer. So many people have been talking about it, saying that it's really good. So let's see. This one is in Sun Kiss. I don't know if there was other shades. There has to be other shades, I'm pretty sure, maybe 2 or 3. But I am gonna go in with this Morphe E4 brush. And we are going to bronze up, but I'm gonna bring the bronzer a little bit down right here, because on the doll, I feel like she's bronzed up a little bit more here around the cheek. This reminds me of MAC's Gimme Sun. So I am gonna go in with this. This is the Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder. I actually don't think this is new, but it's new to me and I've heard about it. And it's actually replaced my MAC Cosmetics Light Plus, my Mineralized Light Plus. Like, yeah, that's how good it is, guys. Like, and it's like so inexpensive. I'm telling you, you can find so many inexpensive things in the drugstore and you can still do your makeup really nicely. So now I want to go in with the blush, and this is a new one from E.L.F. as well. So this is the Primer-Infused Blush, and this one is in Always Rosy. I honestly just saw 2 there. There was more of a pinky, like kind of light pink shade, and then this one, which I'm glad I got this one because it honestly kind of matches the one the Bratz has, because if you guys can see how rosy her cheeks are right here. So we're gonna put the blush. Normally I would put it right here, but no, for this look we are going to put the blush on the apples of the cheek. It's gonna go against the grain. I know I never do that ever, but we're going to do that for this, obviously this video, because we're doing a Bratz look. Okay, so this is the new Wet n Wild MegaGlo highlighting powder, and this one is called Bloom Time. If you guys have been with me for a minute, you guys know that I love me Wet n Wild highlighters. They're like my favorite highlighters ever. I feel like you get so much color payoff with them. I'm going to take that black, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just smoke out that bottom lash there, but I am going to smoke it out very slightly. I got through this right here, so I don't want to mess it up. And then I want to take this Maybelline white liner, and then I'm gonna go in the inner corner, and that's when I'm gonna start shading in that white. For the lip line I'm going in with Half Red by MAC, and I am gonna overdraw my lips. Let's see how this works. So that's pretty overdrawn. So now I'm going to take this Pixie by Pectra, and this is Evening Rose. And I'm going to go over the lip liner. So guys, I'm going to put everything on together, and I'm going to be right back. So guys, I'm back, and basically I threw on the hat that she has on, some earrings, and she's wearing like this lace top with like the overalls. So yeah, that's what I have on. Never ever go out in public like this ever, but I wanted to do this video because I feel like it was just something fun to do. I hope, you know, I did the eyes okay. I feel like that's the only thing that I'm like not crazy about. I'm not sure if I would do it again like that, but I had fun recreating that Bratz look for you guys. I hope you guys like this. Please give me a thumbs up if you do, and like I said, this is all in fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, I will see you guys back here on Friday at 6 p.m. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks guys. See you then. Bye.